Come, pom, 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 pom. Come and cook banga soup with me, oh. Original Niger Delta banga soup. Look at this soup. Eh? As I be cook no be mouth. Try this soup. You will come back to thank me. I am cooking this soup with catfish, live catfish. First, for you to cook with catfish, you must follow these steps to clean your fish properly. So I'll be boiling water that I'll be using to clean the fish. This enables me to take out the sliminess quickly and easily. So my water have boiled. I'll pour my water into the fish. The purpose of this is because you want your fish to be very, very clean. So use this step whenever you're cooking with a catfish. These are usually steps I use whenever I'm cooking with catfish. It enables me to clean it very well. If you're new to my channel, you are so welcome. At this point, you can see all the dirt is already out. I went on to sieve out the dirty water. Added some cold water to it so I can be able to now properly finish the washing of the fish. Go ahead and wash your fish. If you're new to my channel, it's so good to have you here. This is your girl Grace Monk. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so anytime I post new video you'll be notified. At this point, I'm done washing my fish. I set my pot on fire, added the fish. I added some Maggi to the fish. I added salt to taste. Then I added little water. The purpose of you adding water is because if you don't add water, your fish is going to stick to the pot. So go ahead and add small water around the fish. Cover your pot and leave it to steam. I'll be using 2 cans of palm oil cream to cook this soup. So my fish is steaming. I went on to stir it. Please, whenever you're stirring your fish, be gentle with your fish. Don't stir it like you're stirring when you're cooking with meat. The reason is because you want your fish not to pieces in your pot. I'll be using 3 kinds of Banga spices. Banga seed 1, Banga seed 2, and Banga leaf. My fish is steamed to a point. I added the palm oil cream. If you are not comfortable leaving your fish in your pot due to the fear because you don't want it to all scattered in your pot, go ahead and cook your fish properly, then take it out. At the end of your cooking or when the soup is about to get done, then you can add your fish back to your pot. But I am very, very comfortable. This is how I cook. After adding the palm oil cream, go ahead and stir it gently. When stirring your soup, be careful so you don't pieces your fish. Stir from side to side, just like that. You see how I'm stirring the soup side to side. I did not dig into the soup. Then from there you can pave your way into the middle. Please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Like this video, share with your friends, invite your friends to come like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this soup out. Hey Nigerian, have you tried this soup before? Is this something you would love to make with family members to enjoy? Let me know. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. I really appreciate it. I added some warm water to the palm cream tin, then rinse the remaining oil. Add it to the pot. For all the ingredients I'll be using for this soup, or that I've used for this soup, I'm going to leave it in the description box below. So for the ingredients, don't forget to check the description box for the ingredients. I added some red grinded pepper. I added crayfish, grinded crayfish. Also stir gently. Don't forget to stir gently. You can see even after the stirring or the stirring I've done, my fish are still whole in the pot. I went on to grind the Banga spices. Mind you, you do not grind the Banga leaves. I went on to add my Banga spices to the pot. Go ahead and mix everything, stir everything together. I added Banga leaf. I tested my soup to make sure everything is okay, and it tested out very good. I will let my soup to cook for additional 5 to 10 minutes, and at this point my soup is completely ready to be served. I have to give compliment to my husband for recording this video. Without him, I wouldn't have been able to share. So all thanks to him for recording this video for me. I'll be serving this soup with pounded yam. I've already made my pounded yam. If you want to see how I make my pounded yam, leave me a comment in the comment section. Check out this soup. Come and eat in my house. Come and try this soup. You need to make this soup to come back to my channel and tell me how the outcome turned out. This soup is super yummy, rich, easy, like it's everything. No wonder Niger people love it. It's so rich, it's so yummy. Try this soup, guys, and you will love it. Go to restaurant, any restaurant, tell them that you want to eat Banga soup, original Niger Delta Banga soup. My dear, I cannot wait for you to try this soup and call me or come to my channel and say, oh, you love it. Just look at that. Look at how the soup turned out. I love it. My kids love it. My husband doesn't joke with it. This is like one of my best soup. Look at how these girls are just like demolishing this soup, demolishing everything. Don't touch that plate because they will not take it lightly with you. When they are eating their Nigerian food, they don't joke with it. Oh my God. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next video. At this time, I'll say stay blessed, stay focused, stay positive, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.